Good morning, class. I'm here to teach us how to create a course as an instructor with Jais Trust Online Academy. Creating course is very simple. All you need is 2 to 3 applications. And number one, you need Microsoft Expression, which is going to help you to record your screen as we're doing right now. And number two, you need Microsoft PowerPoint. There are other applications also that we're going to train you on, but right now we're going to be working with Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Expression, then we're going to be working with the internet. Now, for example, if you want to create a course with Jais Trust Online Academy, you're going to send an email to admin@jaistrust.com telling them your choice of subject. If you send them your choice of subject, Jais Trust Online Academy is going to send you the scheme of work that you're going to follow. So those scheme of work, you're going to take the topic you want to discuss, the topic you want to teach, and the class. You're going to tell them your choice of subject, the classes you want to be taking, and Jais Trust Online Academy will send you the scheme of work for that classroom. So for that class, you're going to work on based on that scheme of work. Now, for example, now I'm going to be teaching us a course with the biology symbiosis. Now, we all know biology is study of life, and now we're going to be talking about symbiosis right now in biology. But before I start that, I want you to know, let's close this page for now. I want you to see now, this is a PowerPoint, and let me show us the Microsoft Encoder. If you want to know the Microsoft Encoder, you have to install it on your system. Now, I'm going to give us there's a link that Jais Trust has created for you inside the page. You're gonna say go to download and click on downloads. You're gonna see the Microsoft Expression. Download it to your system, install it to your system, then it will give you this Microsoft Encoder. Whenever you want to use it, you just type E in your search bar and it's going to give you Microsoft Expression Encoder 4. Now when you click on the Encoder 4, it's gonna start for you, and you're going to make the settings. Now let's try to make the settings of Encoder 4. Though we are using the encoder, but right now I'm going to be clicking on it again. So we hope it will open. If it doesn't, we will do that later, because already we are on the encoder, and already we're using it to do our recording. Now let me be talking about PowerPoint for now. PowerPoint, you know, is the application for presentation. Now Microsoft PowerPoint, and if you want that also, you're going to type Microsoft or PowerPoint. If you don't have it installed on your computer, you can get somebody to install it for you, or download it on your phone or your computer. Now this is Microsoft PowerPoint just above the Microsoft Expression Encoder. Now when you click on Microsoft PowerPoint, it's going to open for you this interface. Now the first thing you have to do for someone who is creating a course, you have to arrange your courseware. What's the courseware? You're going to arrange everything you're going to be needing for your course, and it's as simple as eating banana. Now for example, I want to make a 20-page course. All I need to do is right click on this place and say new slide. If I say new slide, now I can create new slides, so many of them. You understand? I can create so many of them. Duplicate slide, you see, I can create so many of them, or keep saying new slide, this slide 5, until you get to slide 20. For example, I want to do slide 6. Now the second thing to do is to get your design of your slide. For example, these are designs, animation. We are not talking about animation for now. We want to talk about the slides design before the animation. Now you're gonna take this design, for example, and you see what it looks like. You take this design, for example, you see what it looks like. Now you take, for example, this is design. Now our class is I said biology, and the topic is symbiosis. So right now you type biology, and symbiosis, topic symbiosis. Symbiosis. Now you have a symbiosis, and that's what you're going to be talking about. Now the next thing to do before you start presentation, now is to create this courseware. Now number 2, you go to Google and download whatever you need for symbiosis. For example, now I come to my address bar. let's assume my page is 0 like this at www.google.com. I'm in Google. Now I want to type symbiosis. I want to get the definition first. To make it simple, you don't have to be typing everything. Okay, let's say biology first. Biology. Best definition. Now you're gonna have this now in a matter of seconds. Now you're gonna have this. It depends on how fast your internet is. As I'm opening this one also, I'm gonna come to this place, do another Google again. This plus over here, you can use it to add www.google.com. So as this one is opening, I think my internet is slow, but it will come up. So right now I'm trying to get us there. I'm trying to get us there. I'm trying to get us there. Okay. Now we're there. I think we're almost there. So this is biology. Get is that the word biology is from the Greek word bio, meaning life. No, we can copy this now and have the definition of biology in our PowerPoint. Okay, not this one. Biology. Now we can decide to just do our definition here. Control V. I copied it over from there as a definition. Definition of biology. Now right click and get the correct spelling now of biology. Don't forget you are creating the course. Now the next page, you're gonna be talking about the definition of symbiosis. Definition. If you like, don't put definition, it's all yours. Symbiosis, don't say definition of symbiosis, just write symbiosis. And definition of symbiosis. Now you can get that also, or you type it, or you type the definition from your textbook. Symbiosis. Now it's gonna open for us, and we're gonna take it again and get some images again that is gonna make our classes look beautiful and exciting. Now without wasting much of our time, I want to go to Google again. While that one is opening, this symbiosis is opening, I want to go to Google again so that I can have another. Maybe I type symbiosis so that I can get images for it. Okay, symbiosis. Now type symbiosis so that I can get images for it. I think this video is gonna go in part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is gonna be 10 minutes and the second part will be probably 10 minutes, and I'm done with training you on how to create a course. In 20 minutes you are good to go, and you can start creating courses. Now symbiosis, this is the definition. You take it from this place and copy it. Now we're creating the class. Now you want to talk about symbiosis. Now you can, now we've created 2 slides, the slide A, the slide B. Now we can add images. You understand? Images also, you can get them from, you see, best definition for symbiosis. You can see images, you see all, you can see images from here. So it will open for you the images of symbiosis or the best definition. Now as soon as the image is open, I think I don't need this start Google over here, because already I'm using this place, I'm turning it to images. So I say already,